Alright, so today we're changing the barrel lock and latch on the 2014 F150. I've already replaced this one, but this latch was broken here, so it wouldn't latch in place. But in order to change that out, you have to take out, there's 2 screws on either side, here and here. And then you got 3 screws here, 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 and here on both sides. And you have to actually take the screws out for the hinges. The whole lid will come off. The plastic piece will come apart from the top. And it gives you access to the latch mechanism. And there's a screw in there that you take out. And then the latch part will come out. And once the latch comes out, this is the one that was in there. And as you can see, the latch mechanism was missing on it. You couldn't push the button. So we got that one put in, reinstalled, got everything put back together, took the barrel lock out of this one, transferred it over to this one, and everything is good now. So hopefully that'll help you, and I'll show you further on how to change the barrel lock out and then install it into this. I'll be showing you how to remove the barrel lock out of the center console of a 2014 F150. So you have to remove the plastic piece here. Just take a screwdriver. And this tabs will pop loose like so, and inside here you'll see there's a little shiny piece there. That is the lock that actually holds the barrel lock inside there, so you can push it in and it pops right out. So there's your barrel lock, and then we'll go install it on the new latch that we put on the center console. So we replaced the latch on the center console here. This one was busted out. Of course, the new one doesn't have the key barrel lock in it, so that's what we're going to be putting in there. So you can see it locks now, or latches, and then we'll put the lock in it. Alright, so if you can see down in there, you can see the grooves, and you can see how the mechanism is aligned to accept the end of that. So it'll go in, so it can catch that mechanism and lock it. So we'll just snap it in place, and it should be good to go. Alright, we got it pushed in place there. So we'll latch it. And then make sure it works. Lock it, and it's locked. Can't open it up, so I believe we got it fixed. Now it'll open. Alright, so that is how to change the barrel lock on the center console lid of a Ford F-150 2014 model anyway. So hope that helps.